class, Miss Barron here. Today's lesson is going to be on the cell theory. Our whole unit is going to be on the cell. I always want to sing when I get to this unit. Celebrate good times, come on, because it's a celebration. What we would like you to do, and make sure that you get into the habit of doing this, is to copy the date, September 11, 2020, topic, cell theory, and problem right onto the top of your notebook before you copy the notes. Here's today's agenda. We will be doing Google Bell work. Please continue to do it on a Google Doc or your Bell worksheet, and don't hand it in until it's all completed on Friday. As I said before, we're going to start by copying our date, topic, and problem in our science notebook after we finish our Bell work so that we can label today's notes. Today's notes will be slides 4 through 7. If you are in class, I will distribute the cell packet, okay? It's a good reference, and we'll start using it next week. If not, you can download it on the website or on Google Classroom. Okay, don't forget, please copy down the date, topic, and problem in your science notebook. You can hit pause if you need a few minutes to do so before we start the lesson. These are the notes. Cells, basic unit of structure and function in living things. Not all organisms are one-celled, and not all organisms are many cells, but all organisms, to be considered a living thing, must be made out of the basic unit. That's the smallest block you can get to be considered a living thing. All living things are made up of one or more cells. Think of a unicycle. That's a bicycle with only one wheel. Unicycle, one. Unicellular, one. Multicellular starts with an M, and multicellular is more than one cell. Cells are microscopic. That means they're really, really small. So we used a microscope in order to view them. Cells take in nutrients, okay? Those are good things like oxygen and glucose, which provide the cell with energy. They go through a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, and that's how they make their energy, ATP, energy. Before you continue, I would like you to take whatever is in red, and please take your highlighter that we asked you to get and highlight through basic unit of structure and function in living things, the word all, microscopic, nutrients, and energy. Feel free to draw pictures as you go along. Part E, unicellular. We talked about a unicycle. That means it has one wheel. Well, this is only made out of one cell. These are pretty simple creatures. Monera, Protista, or Protus. These are some of the examples of unicellular, one-celled, small creatures. So we're made up of many, many cells. When we look at a unicellular structure, that's the entire organism. Here we have the staph bacteria that can make you very, very sick. Most bacteria are monerans. Then we have a paramecium, okay, and he is a freshwater organism that this is it. He's one cell. Again, please put unicellular, one. Next, we have cells produced asexually, okay? If I had a donut for breakfast, which I would never do because that's not exactly healthy breakfast, I would have one donut. So a parent, one parent. So some simple organisms like these, okay, are representing asexual reproduction. There's only one parent here, okay, and that one parent makes two cells. Here we have what we call budding, okay, and if you've seen SpongeBob, you've seen a sponge. This is a hydra, where he just kind of has a little buddy or a bud, and boom, right off. What's interesting about this is they're always identical. One, identical, same. Okay, it's the same DNA being passed because there's only one parent to pass it on. Okay, don't forget to highlight those key red words. Last but not least, you have cells have different jobs. So cells are going to be different shapes. Red blood cells carry oxygen, nerve cells transfer information. Be sure to do the Google form and use your notes to help you to get attendance credit and also to get your assignments credit today. Have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you soon.